Do you want to delete your Facebook business page permanently? I will show you just in a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video, I will show you how to delete a Facebook page permanently or deactivate it temporarily. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Deciding to permanently delete your Facebook page is a personal decision, and the reasons can vary depending on your individual circumstances and priorities. You can also remove an outdated page or simply clean up your unwanted business accounts. Deleting a Facebook page permanently is a simple process. To delete your Facebook page permanently, first, log into your Facebook account that you are an admin of a page you want to delete. Once logged in, go to the Facebook page you want to delete. For that, tap on 3 horizontal menus from the top right of the screen. If you are using iPhone, it is in the bottom right corner. From here, scroll down and tap on Pages. Now, find the business page that you want to remove permanently and tap on the Switch Now button. Once you are on your Facebook business page, tap on 3 horizontal lines from the top right corner of the screen. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. From here, tap on Page Settings. Scroll down to the Facebook page information section. Find and tap on Access and Control. Here you will able to see deactivation and deletion, from where you can temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your page. Now, decide if you want to deactivate or delete your business page permanently. If you choose Deactivate Page, your page will be disabled or closed for a certain time. You can react at any time. To delete a Facebook page permanently, select Delete Page. After deleting, you won't be able to reactivate it. After selecting, tap on Continue. Now, select a reason why you want to delete this page. Here I have selected, I have a privacy concern. After you select a reason, you will see this type of screen. Just tap on the Continue button. Now, Facebook allows you to save and back up your information. You can download your Facebook business page information from the Download Your Information section. Now, tap on the Continue button from the bottom of the screen. Before deleting, you need to confirm by entering your Facebook account password. Enter your password and tap on the Continue button. Again, you need to tap the Continue button. Now finally tap on the Delete Page button to delete your Facebook business account permanently. Once your Facebook business page content or other information that you have shared on the page is deleted permanently, and your page messages also be deleted. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.